It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power door locks, power windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the integrated trailer brake controller, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, a manually adjusted steering wheel, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a leather interior. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. And on the right side, we have the audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have the programmable garage door opener, some interior light buttons, and the rear window slider. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. The hard buttons for our radio and media options with a CD player down below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert. We also have some USB ports and a power plug-in. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and on top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Sierra, we have black tow hooks, fog lights, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, remote start, the rear window slider, a tonneau cover, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, chrome door handles, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has a power plug-in, rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we're also able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.